Hey guys, what's up? It's VanCuber, and today we're going to be unboxing the MoYu TangLong. So let's get right into it. Here it is. Let's put that to the side, and here we go. Now, here's the MoYu TangLong. I've heard some good things about this cube, that it feels a lot like a GANS, which I would say I actually like from different cubes that I've tried. And yeah, so I wanted to see what this feels like, and maybe if it'll be my main or even backup main. And yeah, so let's just get into first turns. Alright, so it's actually really good. The corner cutting is up to par with most P cubes, although the corner cutting is a bit forced for larger cuts, and the reverse is pretty good actually. So maybe 3/4 of a QB. It's actually pretty smooth. I think it'd be really good for me for one-handed. So right now I'm using the Vulc 3 for my main for two-handed and one-handed. And it's much faster, and I really like it. And this actually sort of feels like it. It's actually pretty fast, at least out of the box, than what some people say. Yeah, so from what I've seen, this looks a lot like Qilong, Sulong, or Yulong. So here's mine, and let's just compare the pieces. The corners are pretty similar, except for the indent here, which is not there in the TangLong, which is there in the Yulong. And the TangLong is actually capped instead of a 3-piece assembly. Well, technically this is a 4-piece assembly with this sort of connector for the pieces, and this does have squared off corners. I'm not really a fan of squared off corners, but I mean, it's there, so nothing I can really do about that except shave them off, which would look like a very bad job. It's actually really lubing inside. Here's the edge piece. Yeah, pretty similar now, except this one is sort of curved, and this one isn't, and this one is also curved. So, sort of minute changes that have been applied to these cubes. Let's put that to the side. This one is sort of loose for my liking right now. Yeah. So let's do a solve. And here we go. Yeah, not a very good start. So yeah, overall, first impressions, I'm actually really liking this cube. I don't know if it'll be my main, but most likely it'll be my one-handed main, since, I don't know, I just don't seem to be doing that well on the Valk for one-handed than I normally do. So I've been using the Thunderclap, which I've overlubed and is pretty slow right now, which I don't really like because the transition from the Thunderclap to the Valk is very different. And yeah, so this is faster than the Thunderclap. And yeah, so I'm really looking forward to using this cube for just some solves. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and until next time, keep on cubing. Peace.